Hey, I'm Sophie from Curry's and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make chocolate cookies in just 3 steps with only 3 ingredients. And I'm off home now to show you how. So, Alexa, ingredients for cookies.
150 grams of plain flour, 240 grams of chocolate spread and 1 large egg.
Now this recipe obviously contains wheat, nuts, dairy and egg, so it's not suitable for people with those allergies. Before we start anything, let's prep our oven. 180 degrees. Get some baking paper onto a baking tray. Add all the ingredients into the bowl and we're going to mix it with my Kenwood hand mixer. In goes the flour, the chocolate spread, gooey goodness. Okay, then we're gonna add our 1 egg too. Then we're gonna mix all of those ingredients together. So I'm gonna start on quite a slow whisk. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to roll it into balls. So it's got to be about 2 tablespoons worth. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll that into a ball. It should make about a dozen, like so. I'm going to get my baking sheet. So now what you need to do is you need to get the palm of your hand and you need to flatten down. Mary Berry, move over. There we are, they're the cookies. Put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Perfect. And that's my timer done, so Alexa, off. Whoa, they look absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna leave them to cool for about 5 minutes, turn my oven off. So they've cooled down completely now. I can touch the baking tray and they look incredible. So I think it's time to try one. Taste test. Yeah, I'm so impressed with how good they taste. I took 20 minutes, 10 minutes to prep, 10 minutes in the oven. If you want to find out more about some quick and easy recipes, why not visit our Tech Talk area online.